Hello and welcome to the final segment in the pillar number 1 of the 7 pillars to 6 figures training, 6-figure online training that you have been doing. I hope you have been having fun. I hope this has been a revelation for you, and I hope that you are getting some actionable nuggets that you can apply in this first pillar of the 7-pillar training that I promise to help you get to 6 figures on the internet over the next few weeks. All right, so let's look at let's do a concluding part to this. Let's do a summary of the pillar number 1, which is the having the netpreneur success mindset, the strategic netpreneur success mindset, which is the very first thing you must have. You must start putting those things together for you to begin to start getting yourself ready to create your own empire online. All right. When we in pillar number 2, we will start getting into the actually building that business. All right. So what did we learn in this first pillar? We learned about how to operate the strategy of preeminence, which is basically offering the best that you can to your clients, even better than everybody in your space. All right. In whatever niche that you're doing it, you want to focus on your client. You want to focus on providing the best in your niche, in your space, to your clients, so that you can be the figure that everybody wants to pay. Go through that again if you didn't remember every part of it, and make sure you download Jay Abrams' strategy of preeminence. He has a free book on his site. All right, it's on jayabrams.com. We also talked about having a strategic plan and focus. You got to know what you want. You got to know how much you want to make. You got to know what niche you are in. You can't jump from pillar to post. We talked about that, about the opportunity-seeking mindset and the strategic mindset. I hope you go back to that video and watch that thoroughly. Also, in one of the sections, we talk about how how strategic netpreneurs take advantage of leverage by building their products around one core niche. And I gave you about 3 or 4 case studies just to prove this. And then we talked about the importance of having an army of JVs and affiliate relationships who will help you take your business to the next level. Where you can sell one by yourself, if you have an army of affiliates, you can sell 1,000. I mean, I did over 3,000 sales in my very first product launch, but I did not even sell up to 100 myself, all right, because I utilized this strategy. Okay, we talk about getting that and how you need to apply it. And then we also talk about the importance of outsourcing most of your tasks. These are all mindsets that you need to have. Remember, detailed training about each of them you can still find in the members area. Right now, we're talking about mindset and what goes with that mindset. So you don't expect that each of these training I've just done, that I will have to go deep into how to outsource, where to outsource to, and all that. That is not part of this first pillar. This first pillar is about your strategic mindset and what needs to go into that mindset. I hope you get that. All right. And we talked about how to attend and maximize networking events. I explained how that could change your business and how you need to have a mindset to plan for it. All right. You want to attend several in your neighborhood, and you want to attend at least 1 or 2 abroad. If you live outside America, I've attended 7 this year. I'm going to attend my 8th one before the year is out. And that is my plan, to attend 6 to 8 every year. Not necessarily to go and learn on the stage, but to go and improve my business and myself, like I explained in the section on that. That's it. I hope that you have your first pillar down. Right now, your strategic mindset should be working. You should have your business plan. If you don't have it, check the what I call the working tools. I'm going to upload, I think it's already there on your site, where you can download, like how to write your mission, how to focus and all that. I'm going to have that in this section on strategic mindset. Please download them, fill them out, and send them to me with an email so that I can help you look at it. I will check it and I will respond to you. Even though you really don't have one-on-one training with me yet, we have a special advanced training where I do one-on-one. But for everybody that has the Netpreneur franchise, I will look it over and give you some pointers through email. You got to do it. All right? After watching this, pillar number 1, before you go to pillar number 2, I want you to do those exercises those homework that are attached in your members area. Please go through them, complete them out, and send me a copy. Or share a copy, better still, share a copy in the Netpreneur Franchise Club page on Facebook. All right? And we would love to help you dissect it, to help you make it better. This is how you build your business. This is not just a training thing, because if you just take the training and you don't take the exercises, you might as well not have signed up for the franchise. You got to do the exercises. There's going to be 3 of them, all right, that goes on in this section, the exercises for you. I call it homework, Netpreneur homework. You got to do that, okay? I look forward to seeing you as we get to pillar number 2, and you have a wonderful day. Remember, it's time to stop whining and time to stop winning, to start winning. It's time to stop whining and time to start winning. This is Dr. Okpebanwo, and I will see you on the other videos. Again, I'm so excited to be your coach and to be your mentor in this journey, and I'm hoping that we'll be able to get tremendous testimonials from you as we move forward. You have a wonderful day.